Welcome to another video from East Beds Bushcraft, the home of #survival. Greetings bushcrafters and survivalists, Buzz here, and I've got a lot of trimming and strimming to do down at the village today. That's the great thing about summer, everything starts to explode. There's a lot of maintenance to be had down at the camp, and I'm going to enjoy myself. So as well as that, I'm going to enjoy partaking in a little bit of nature, relax, have a coffee, sit back and enjoy myself. Highly recommended. So as you can see behind me, yes, if you haven't already guessed, it's giant hogweed, and it was off. There was a couple of bits off to one side last year, and this year it's really come up. So before it gets out of hand, it's Wellington boots on, protective gloves and hand shears, and I'm just going to carefully take this out because you don't want to touch this stuff. I mean, honestly, I'm not going to use my strimmer on it. If I used a strimmer, it'd be flying all over the place. Just gently hack it back, get rid of it. So that's my job. So that's the giant hogweed dealt with, all chopped down, and obviously I'm going to keep an eye on that and make sure that if it starts sprouting again, it gets cut back as soon as possible. Going to go and wash these off, wash my boots off, make sure that they've got none of the juice, the sap out of the plants on anything. Okay, that's one job done. Now to the strimming. Oh, well, that was a good job done. Let's just leave there we go. There's our lean-to. There's the lake over there. Let's have a look around. Hey, look at this. I have managed to strim all of the village. Yes, nice. There we go, look at that. And I've earned myself a moment to sit down and have a drink, which I shall do over there, where I like to put my lavu up. There we go. So I've still got a lot more strimming to do, but the village for the moment has had its first strim of the year. And as you can see, I also got to clear the pathway through to the river. So let's just go and have a look down here. Oh, nice. There we go, it's so tranquil. If it wasn't for the aeroplanes coming out of Luton Airport that I can hear in the background. Look at that lovely green weed. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're doing some crayfishing later in the summer. So that's it. I've had my drink. I've spent some time listening to the wonderful sounds of the forest, feeling the breeze coming through the trees, sitting by my lake here down at the village. My day's work's done. The village has had its first weed whacking of the year, so now I can look forward to keeping on top of everything, getting some fires going, getting family and friends down, sitting around the fire, having some lovely, you know, bushcraft weekends, and generally just enjoying life. Thanks for tuning in. I'm looking forward to making more videos as we progress through this summer, and I'll see you again in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the East Beds Bushcraft channel. See you all again soon.